Hi, my name is Oliver Muchiri, a strategic designer at ThinkPlace. Companies that include employees in the innovation process perform better than companies that don't. The reasons are logical. If all employees agree with the strategy and innovations they helped develop, they are more willing to participate in and understand the change process. World over, most companies have ambitious plans for innovation, disruption, and eventual growth. Few actually ever realize them, and COVID has not made it any better. In their book, Profit from the Core, Chris Zook and James Allen noted that even as we approached the 21st century, 7 out of 8 companies had failed to achieve profitable growth. Yet 90% of these corporations had developed detailed innovation strategies. Fast forward, these numbers have not grown any better. The question then is, why is there such a persistent gap between ambition in relation to innovation and eventual company performance? From experience, this gap arises from what we here at ThinkPlace like to call the lack of a culture of collaborative innovation. Simply put, innovation is not a reserve of C-suite executives, but rather a collaborative company effort. Companies of the future are not those whose CEOs are innovative, but those that adopt a culture where everyone is deemed an innovator. Currently, 84% of CEOs agree that innovation is important to growth, that industries are continuously evolving, and that COVID has disrupted the future no less. Why then is it that companies still grapple with the issue of stifled innovation? Why is it that COVID has really taken a toll on most companies? The bottom line, the place for collaborative innovation is everywhere in an organization. This is how real change starts to occur, altering the company's cultural DNA to make the whole business more like an innovation lab.